Well, these are some more Spode Ellesmere china, made in 1954, and most of these have actually got date stamps on them. They're 8-inch side plates, slightly smaller than the desserts, coming in at 8.5, but these are 8-inch diameter at the widest point, nicely conserved. Good glaze, as you can see. I don't think these have had much use during their lifetime. There's the marks on them, lovely both Copeland Spode impress marks, L54 date stamps. Pattern reference number from the decorators 2468, and really nicely glazed on the underside, again in fine condition, no damage or warning on these from a condition perspective. They're very, very clean examples of Ellesmere 8-inch side plates, and we've got 5 of those in the stack that have come out in perfect condition without chips, cracks or any damage whatsoever. Got a lot of flatware in this pattern coming through currently, including some platters and some serving tureens as well. So a sort of part dinner service available, or for the replacement market, we're offering these individually on the Vintage and Antiques website, and we'll pop a link in the description below if we can to take you through to that listing. Thanks for watching.